Hello and welcome back. So here in this tutorial I'll try to show you how you can set up the plot and also how to find the peaks in this kind of plot. So double click on the axis, then go on to line and ticks. In the left click on in. In the minor ticks click on in. Similarly for the bottom, for the major ticks click on in, for minor ticks click on in. Watch out what will happen to these ticks. When you click apply, all of them went inside. Now press OK. You see the plot looks better than the previous version of the plot. Also note that you can select the data and then you can change your plot to scatter, line and symbol, column and so on. So now let us look at how to find the peaks in your plot. Click on annotation, and you don't have to be very perfect. Just in the close region click and it will automatically select the data where you have the peak. So the peak is at x equal to 28.42. Similarly, in this region select, you'll get your peak x and y value. See, even if I move it slightly outside the peak, it will automatically select the main value. So you don't have to worry if your cursor is exactly at that position or not. You can select all the peaks and then you can just get the x and y value. That is really great. Another thing you can do is you can name them. For example, maybe you are working with some XRD data and you want to write the plain names. So you can do that in this fashion. Maybe you can pull and place it here. Sometimes many of us want to write this in vertical way. So to do that, right click, click on properties, and then here in the rotate section click here and click on 90 degree and click OK. Now just drag it to the top of your curve. So you can play with your settings, fonts and the different kind of settings. The size you can reduce it depending on the type of plot you have. So this is it, guys. This is how you plot your experimental data and find the peaks of your plot for your analysis. Hope you guys have learned something new in this video. Thank you for watching.